Hello, this is Gary Oakes from OnlineTutorship.com. I'm putting together a number of video tutorials on the advanced website builder within Tailor Brands. This tutorial is going to focus on adding videos to your website. I've uploaded one of the templated websites from Tailor Brands, and as you can see, this does actually have a video embedded within a row here, and it's playing in a loop. And as I scroll down, you can see the rest of the page of this 3-page website. To add a video in the website, we use what we call widgets, and I'm going to add a video widget. So if I go over to widgets, I can either type in video, see if it's frequently used, which it is, or scroll down to media, and I'm going to drag this one in here, video. Now that I do this, it actually creates a new row. So there is the video. So if I just click it, you can now add a YouTube link or one of the other URLs here. If I add a YouTube link here, this one, you can see now there's the video. And it starts to play. So that's how you add a YouTube video. I'll just take this off. I'm going to actually upload my own video. And there's some benefits by doing this, in the fact that you don't have the adverts that come up when you have YouTube videos, etc. Just bear in mind when uploading your own, you're limited to 200 megabytes. So now let's upload our own video. If I go to upload, I now go to upload video, select upload. I now look for the video I want to upload on my computer. And here is one here. I'll upload this video and I'll say open. It's 99 megabyte, so it is under the 200 megabyte threshold. So I'll upload. It may take a while to upload. And once it's uploaded, you'll get this message here, close. Just bearing in mind it's still uploading the files. 0 of 1 file has been uploaded. So again, it may take a few minutes before it uploads. There we go, uploaded. There's the video and I'll select it. We now have the video within the website. I could play it. That's great. It doesn't have all the adverts that come up with it. You can customize the video. You can change the thumbnail. You can just replace by adding an image. Select this one. You can show the controls or not the controls, so they go on and off. You can play in a loop, which I'll do. And you can autoplay, and you can mute the video. So there's some functions there that you can use to customize your video. You can also design the way your video looks by going to design. You can have full width. We'll have that. We can add some animation. We can have it on entrance or scroll. So when one comes to this part of the page, it will actually take effect. And we could have it that it fades in. And we can fade in from the right. You can change the duration, delay, and intensity. And you can preview your animation. And you can add some spacing, whether it's padding or marginal spacing. If the video is smaller, although you can resize the video by going here and doing this, you can now see it's not quite in the center, it's more to the left. If I click the video and go to this little wheel up here and then select center, it now centers itself to the page. Go back to design, I want the video to go back to full width. And that's how you add a video to your website. If I now come back up to this one, we have a video playing here that's actually in a row. This is not via the widget. And I'll show you what I mean. If I click row, edit design, you can see here is actually a video being played in the background. That's another clever way to add a video. And if I wanted to change this video, here is the link at the moment. If I want to upload my own, which is this one here, and select it, you can now see this video playing in the background of the row. And we can look at some of the controls here. So with the controls, you have a bleed row function. This is used if this is already full bleed. In other words, it's taken the full width of the page. This is how this template's been set up. Replace the video. You can display the video on mobile, yes. Play in a loop, yes. And you have some functions on the desktop and tablet. Horizontal and vertical position. You can change the background overlay. If I select this, you can see it just goes a bit whiter. And you can change the color of this if you wanted to. And you can change the opacity. Have it more color or less color. You can have a border. There is a 10 pixel border all the way around at the moment. I might want to increase that to something more. So there's a border. You can have a border color. I might want a red. You can have a shadow. There's a shadow on there already. You can add some animation. It's either on the entrance or on scroll. So when we come to this part of the page, the animation will take effect. We can say fade in, and we can say from the right. Now slides in from the right. We can change the duration, delay, and intensity, and you can preview your animation. The spacing here is the spacing to do with the text here. And if we want the text to be higher up in the page, we can change the number here, say 50 pixels. The text now goes higher. If you want it central, I'll go back to 196. And that's it for adding a video within a row.